Hey guys, I got some spacers in the mail, like I told you guys about, that I ordered. The headers are actually coming today too, but the thing is, sadly, I don't think we're going to be able to install them because it's like 5:30 p.m. already. It takes like forever on the M3, and I don't know if those bolts are rusted or what's going to happen. So I'm going to do that tomorrow, and that's going to be tomorrow's episode. But today I'm going to throw on spacers on the rear. They're 8mm wider on each side. I have 10mm. I'm going to be putting on 18mm, just so that it widens. And I mean, I'll show you guys. I'm not going to talk about it right now. Still alive, still here for some reason. Horrible sound. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, let me start this stupid thing so I can start to warm up. Oh, it's just not going to start either. Like, literally. So he never starts first try. Second try, always. Mint. Okay, so, I don't know why I put this on. It looks stupid in front of me. Yeah, so the headers are coming today. And the kit update, I'm probably like 70 to 80% chance gonna have it today. Not today, Jesus Christ, I wish I could have it today. Sorry, really tired. But the kit, which I'll show you a video now. He's basically finished the front where he's happy with it, and he sprayed a full coat of primer. And the video that you'll see is just the front right fender, so front passenger side fender, and he primered it because usually before you actually like make a panel, you want to primer it, because like when it's different colors and when there's Bondo and fiberglass different colors, it's kind of hard to see like imperfections, and when you spray it one color, it makes it a lot easier. So he did that, and he's happy with how the front bumper and the front fenders look, which means it's go time for molds, which hopefully this weekend will be a thing. He's doing a mold of the full fender, so it's going to be a full fiberglass fender. That fender in the video is actually a metal fender with it cut and literally a fiberglass flare molded to it. But he's going to be doing a full one piece because I don't even have metal fenders anymore, since my full kit is fiberglass and I sold the OEM metal fenders. But that is really, really, really good news, because that genuinely means in about 2 weeks, if not less, I could have the front end of the kit, and that'll be like the stuff to do. I mean, that's like the main thing. I mean, I've genuinely been so bored, I've been ordering parts. Like, I wasn't good. Well, I mean, I wanted a quick release, but it was one of those things like when I have the money. Once again, was so lazy, got a quick release steering wheel, bought LED taillights, so it's like the one in the game, because that's the 2001 to 2003 M3 does not have LED taillights, they just have regular ones like mine. So I got the LED ones. It was like $250, which isn't that bad. I paid $160 for like literally the best halos or angel eye, whatever the hell they're called. The circle LEDs that BMWs are known for, around the two projectors, or one high beam bowl, one projector. So I bought that, so I'll be taking apart the headlights, painting the inside black, and then doing the halos. So as you guys saw in one of my community posts, if you guys didn't see it, here's a picture. That's how Waker's car looks, because he has the halos on it, and it looks pretty neat and dandy, honestly. It looks really, I don't know, I think BMWs look really nice with them, and I think it's like one of those things they should have, kind of thing. I don't know, they look basically enough ranting about me and my stupid car. I'm gonna go put on the spacers so I can finally be able to drive the car. I expect a lot of backfire in tomorrow's video, tomorrow night, because the headers are going to be catless, and you know the tune I have now where it's like ba ba da ba doo boom boom boom, whatever. it has cats right now, so when it's not gonna have cats, it's gonna be insane. Like expecting like 1 to 2 feet, 1 to 2 foot, whatever, of flames. And I'm gonna get outside. I'm gonna get exterior shots too of the exhaust and stuff, because a lot of you guys asked, which you're right. Interior exhaust sound is different from exterior. So I'll actually, like, I don't know, like drop my girlfriend off in like the middle of New York. No, I'm just kidding, but I'll like drop her off on a street and then just like fly by, or like just cruise by and do a couple clips in different places, because it'd be cool to do that. Because yeah, and if you guys want to see anything from me or whatever, just let me know. Honestly, I'm kind of running out of content ideas. That's why I usually stream, just so I can talk to you guys. If you guys haven't been able to join in on a stream, it's okay. If you guys don't even care about video games, it's okay, honestly. You know, I still make car content, but I do like to game. I mean, not like seriously, but I do like to game. So, you know, it's kind of cool streaming, because it actually genuinely lets me talk to you guys. And I think it's better, because instead of sorting through a million comments and trying to reply to something, it's a lot easier for me if I can literally just, you know, talk while gaming. And it's cool, because sometimes there's actually funny moments when I stream, and now I have to talk a lot louder because the car is getting louder and everything's getting louder. Where are we going? Okay, off to Dan. I'm surprised the camera's actually staying in before it actually falls, which it's falling on. There we go. This is actually a really cool view. See, I would love to set up a view like that, like if I do like ride-along impressions, but the thing is the camera's literally just on the dash. Yeah, it's not working out too well. Also, what do you guys think about maybe spending like, I don't know, $300-400 on a new camera setup? Because this is an old DSLR and I did ruin it a good amount by you know, painting and such. So I was wanting to get one of those more tinier digital cameras that are compact, that can take HD videos. I don't care about picture quality. Well, I mean, they can probably take good pictures too. I care more about actual video quality, and you know, because it would be easier for me to carry that around, and I mean, I guess it would be a lot better too. So yeah. Oh no, it's falling again. Saying about the camera is basically I'd like to give you guys better quality content, because I know there's even like something in the middle of this camera lens, it's like chipped or something. See, that's the sound of the tire rubbing, so that's exactly why we're doing these spacers, just so we're on the same page about them. Hold on, camera! You're not holding on! There you are, Mr. Camera. It didn't stop recording when it fell. That was so close to actually coming out of the window, because it was right here, and it slid, and it hit right here, and then fell in. I literally thought, because I took a left-hand corner. And then also, some of you have been wondering why that vent is missing. These vents, they're like molded on with resin / JB weld, and like, you see how like right there it's a little bit loose? Yeah, that one was like fully loose, and I just got tired of it and ripped it off, because I am doing a full hood that's fiberglass, and then these vents are carbon, so I can just tape them off when I paint this hood again, when I paint the car again. Dan got an Origin front and rear fender kit. That's like 20 mil or 25 mil, not sure.
45 front, 45 rear.
45. Is the other rear taped on right now? No, they're not on.
I just finished.
Yeah, I don't think anyone has ever seen this car on the YouTube. Well, I mean, back in the 240 days maybe, but nobody really watched back then, so. Yeah, he has like a KBD kit too, which is like one of those extremely like, yeah, like you can do anything. I mean, like, I'm sure if you stab it, it'll probably make a hole, but like, he's run over his rear bumper and stuff and it never broke. It's like insane. But this is fiberglass, so this will break instantly if you look at it wrong.
The first one I had.
Yeah, he cut his rear quarters because he's obviously it's an over fender, so it like goes along the entire quarter almost. I feel like we haven't done these montages in a while with the music, so you know, cue the montage. Squatting slow. He sounds like Bane in this mask.
Hold up, let me get my clothes.
Okay, you do that while I show. Yeah, you can definitely see that the wheel now is equal poke. Ignore how bad the toe is to the...
Oh, you think the wheel has equal poke now?
Oh, and ignore these little red tape things because the holes I drilled there to mount my rear bumper, they kind of let water in and I had a huge puddle in my back. I will be sealing those soon, but very fun stuff.
I'll see you tomorrow in the morning.
Ah! Alright. I'll see you around.
I can totally see that. Oh, I didn't put the steering wheel on. I can totally see that the wheels poke out a lot more though in the mirror, which is what it would do if you put the spacer on. Like a good Samaritan. Just kidding, seriously. Spacers aren't the best thing or the safest thing. I don't really promote running them, although I have been for the past, I don't know, however long I had this car, for 5-6 months. Now we just have to see if it rubs still or not. Bunch of people in the middle of the road, what are you doing? Get out of my lawn. So great. Bad news. I literally just waited like 2-3 hours because I wanted to unbox the headers for you guys at least, you know, like give you something good to end the video. As you can see, I shaved. But I just checked the thing and it said it's delayed, so I don't know if it's going to be delivered tomorrow or what, but hopefully there will be a video tomorrow. Maybe just taking off the headers, I don't know, but either way, look forward to like the next 3-4 days of straight content because the LED taillights are coming whenever. The angel eyes are definitely coming soon, I'm pretty sure, which means we get to take apart my headlights, spray paint them black. Still have my girlfriend's headlights to take apart and paint black as well, and the badges. So there's like a whole bunch of stuff to do, which is good because for once I actually have stuff to do, which means I can record every day, which means my channel can grow better because daily uploads and you guys get stuff to watch and I don't just have to stream all the time, although I like streaming. So thanks for watching. Hopefully soonish, maybe to next video tomorrow, I'll show you guys the t-shirt design because she's gonna send me like the kind of like the final render to see if we're gonna make any changes, but trying to make some sick t-shirts that people would actually want to buy, not just like cliche like copy and paste t-shirts. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.